In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make sure your inventory and customers are properly updated. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a section labeled Orders. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a page showing a list of all the orders in your store. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar and filters to quickly find the specific order you want to cancel. When you see the order you're looking for, click directly on it to open the Order Details page. Now that you're inside the Orders page, move your eyes to the top right corner. You should see a button or drop-down labeled More Actions. Click on More Actions and a small menu of options will appear. From that list, select Cancel Order. This is what starts the cancellation process. As soon as you choose to cancel, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is important because it helps you log why the order is being cancelled and what should happen next. First, you'll be asked to choose a reason for the cancellation. The options usually include things like the customer changed or cancelled their order, the payment was declined, the order appears to be fraudulent, the items are unavailable, there was a staff error, or another reason that doesn't fit these categories. Pick the option that best matches the situation. This helps keep your records organized and can be useful later for reporting and identifying patterns. In the same pop-up, you'll see a field where you can leave a staff note. This is optional, but it's a good habit to use it. You might note details like who spoke with the customer, what was discussed, or any special context. These notes are especially helpful if you're working with a team or if you need to revisit this order in the future. You'll also see checkboxes related to restocking inventory and sending a notification to the customer. In most cases, you'll want to keep both of these checked. Restocking inventory ensures that any items from this order go back into your available stock, so your product counts stay accurate. Sending a notification to the customer lets them know the order has been cancelled, which helps avoid confusion and potential support tickets later on. After you've selected the reason, added any staff notes, and confirmed the checkbox settings, look to the bottom right of the pop-up. Click the Cancel Order button. Shopify will process the cancellation, update the order status, and apply the settings you chose. And that's it. You've successfully canceled an order on Shopify while keeping your records, inventory, and customer communication in good shape.